Hey guys, it's Charlie. Today's unboxing star, the YiLaie Outdoor Solar Fence Lights 4-pack. First impression, solid. It's got some serious weight to it. Alright, let's crack this open. Let's see what's inside. 1 instruction manual, 2 hole positioning stickers, 4 packs of mounting screws, and the main event for solar lights. Check this awesome design. Most solar lights have exposed panels, but the YiLaie built-in. It's protected by a clear layer. This product has several major advantages. Way better waterproofing, keeps the solar panel safe. Genius idea, right? Also notice this groove on the back, makes snapping it on and taking it off super easy later if needed. Packaging shows 3 light modes. First press, warm white. Second, bright white. Third, natural white. Set the mood you want. Quick glance at the manual, clear table of contents, installation guide right up front. Looks pretty straightforward, not complicated. Let's go install them. Step 1, mark your spots. Stick the positioning stickers where you want the lights. Step 2, drill the holes. Drill through the marked spots. Step 3, anchor it. Tap in the anchors, then screw in the screws. Step 4, snap it on. Clip the solar light onto the bracket. All set. Check out the glow. Warm, white, bright white, natural white, super bright light, and the shape really creates Annersea ambience. That's it for the YiLaie Solar Fence Light. Unboxing and install. Quick recap on the highlights. Built-in solar panel, waterproof protected, peace of mind. 3 light modes, perfect for any setting. Easy installation. Seriously, anyone can do this. Solar powered, save energy, save money, and eco-friendly. If you want to add safety and ambience to your garden fence or pathway, these YiLaie solar fence lights are fantastic value.